Ndi Igbo, one of Nigeria's largest ethnic groups, has a history that stretches back centuries and is marked by innovation, trade, and survival. From the rolling hills of Enugu to the fertile plains of Ebonyi State and the bustling economic cities of Aba and Onitsha, the Igbo people have long been celebrated for their industriousness. But what is it about Ndi Igbo that makes them flourish everywhere they go? Before we go deep into the answers you seek, this is the Ebonyi People TV. Kindly subscribe if you're yet to do so and hit the like button.
My people, keep watching Ebonyi People TV. People should keep on watching Ebonyi People TV.
Keep watching Ebonyi TV.
They are very, very good people and they are doing good.
Please, I want to urge you to keep watching Ebonyi People TV.
Ebonyi People TV is the best.
All right, people. But I don't see them now.
It's a place you be where you get a current news and undiluted news.
Keep watching Ebonyi State TV. Not all that die. If you touch, if I come on, I'll come back for that remote.
The Igbo people, an ancient civilization deeply rooted in their homeland in eastern Nigeria, are like seeds of heaven. Wherever they fall, they germinate. Wherever they go, they bloom. It is said that if you throw an Igbo man into a desert, he will find water. If you place him in the heart of the busiest city, he will thrive. This is the story of Ndi Igbo, a people defined not just by their rich cultural heritage, but by their unyielding resilience, entrepreneurial spirit, and boundless ability to make any place inhabitable for all. Let's start with the homeland, birthplace of the Igbo spirit. To understand why the Igbo people thrive in every corner of the world, we must first look to their homeland, Igbo land. Nestled between the Niger River and the hills of eastern Nigeria, this region has nurtured one of Africa's most dynamic and innovative societies for centuries. The Igbo homeland is both the starting point and the anchor for every Igbo person. It's where the seeds are first planted. The land is fertile, not just for crops, but for ideas. Igbo culture has always been rooted in the values of hard work, community, and education. From a young age, every Igbo child learns that success comes not just from what is given, but from what is earned. The proverb goes that ants that touch the soil produce what the mouth eats. The spirit of Umuna extends beyond family ties. It represents unity, mutual aid, and collective progress. In every corner of the world where Igbo people settle, they recreate the sense of community. They strive to uplift each other in their neighborhoods, businesses, and associations. This is the first secret to their resilience. No Igbo person stands alone. The roots of Ndi Igbo are planted deep in their land, values, and culture. Central to their identity is Umuna, the idea of community. In Igbo land, the individual is nothing without the collective. This strong sense of brotherhood has always been their anchor, ensuring they carry a piece of home wherever an Igbo person goes. But the Igbo people were never ones to sit still. Throughout history, they have been driven by the need to explore, trade, and build. When we speak of the Igbo as seeds of heaven, we are not just talking about their ability to spread far and wide, but also their unmatched resilience and adaptability. Looking closely, you will see that the Igbo spirit is synonymous with enterprise. For centuries, Ndi Igbo have been traders and craftsmen. The Aro Confederacy, one of the most powerful pre-colonial Igbo groups, was known for its vast trading network, which stretched from the savannas of northern Nigeria to the coastal regions of the Niger Delta. Igbo traders, renowned for their business acumen, traversed hundreds of miles to trade goods, build relationships, and expand their reach. Wherever they went, the Igbo carried their values with them, the spirit of togetherness. Even today, the Igbo entrepreneurship network relies heavily on trust and communal support. Success from one Igbo man often means success for the entire family, the village, and the community. It's a collective effort grounded in their culture of shared responsibility. From the bustling markets of Onitsha to the vibrant streets of Houston, from small traders to global entrepreneurs, Ndi Igbo has an uncanny ability to adapt, innovate, and thrive. They do not wait for opportunity to come to them, they create it. This adaptability is why you will always find an Igbo person at the forefront, whether in business, education, or technology. Now let's talk about their trials and triumphs, the soil that strengthens the seed. But even seeds face storms, right? The Igbo people have weathered many. Perhaps the most significant in recent history is the Nigerian Civil War, also known as the Biafran War, from 1967 to 1970, the Igbo people fought for their independence in the Republic of Biafra, a story of resilience, survival, and hope amidst unspeakable hardship. The war left scars, economic devastation, loss of lives, and the need to rebuild from scratch. Yet, from the ashes of Biafra, the Igbo people rose again, stronger and more determined than ever. Their adaptability and strength in the face of adversity were once more put to the test. Igbo people knew they had to start afresh, replant themselves in new soil, and they did. From nothing, they created everything once more. This is where their entrepreneurial spirit truly shone. While others saw ruins, the Igbo saw the opportunity. They knew that, like seeds, sometimes being buried meant they would bloom even more beautifully when the time came. Today, the scars of the Biafran War remain, but they do not define Ndi Igbo. Instead, they serve as a reminder of what it means to persevere. It's a testament to their strength and ability to turn adversity into triumph and sorrow into hope. During the transatlantic slave trade, when many Igbo were taken far from their homeland, their tenacity was already apparent. Some of the earliest records of rebellion and resistance came from Igbo enslaved people in the Americas who refused to be subdued, and while their bodies were taken, their spirit of self-reliance and resistance never wavered. The spirit would later evolve into what the world recognizes as the Igbo entrepreneurial instinct. Today, Ndi Igbo are a global people. The Igbo diaspora has become a powerful force, with communities thriving in virtually every corner of the globe. In cities like Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt, the Igbo have left their mark on the economy, real estate, technology, and politics. Beyond the borders of Nigeria, from the United States to Europe, from Asia to South America, the Igbo people have continued to flourish, contributing to every society they join. But wherever they go, one thing remains constant: their connection to home. Despite their success abroad, Ndi Igbo always remembers their roots. Every Christmas, the roads lead to eastern Nigeria are packed with travelers returning home, eager to reunite with family and celebrate their culture. This bond is unbreakable. It's why an Igbo man can succeed anywhere but will always feel a pull back to his homeland. No matter where they go, Ndi Igbo carry their culture with pride. Their festivals are celebrated in far-off lands, and their language is spoken in diaspora communities across the globe. They are the seeds of heaven, blooming in every corner of the world, never forgetting where they came from. As the world changes, so too does the Igbo story. Today, Igbo people are breaking new ground in technology, medicine, and education. Young Igbo entrepreneurs are innovating and building startups that rival Silicon Valley. Igbo women are becoming influential leaders, breaking industry barriers and paving the way for the next generation. Yet, no matter how modern the world becomes, the core of the Igbo identity remains the same. It is the ability to adapt, bloom wherever they are planted, and thrive even in the harshest conditions. This trait, this divine gift, makes Ndi Igbo indeed the seeds of heaven. The future of Ndi Igbo is bright. Today, a new generation of Igbo innovators is emerging, armed with the lessons of their ancestors and the tools of the modern world. They are poised to conquer new technology, science, and global leadership frontiers. The story of Ndi Igbo is one of perseverance, unity, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. It's the story of people who have learned to bloom wherever they are planted, whether in the fertile soils of their homeland or the foreign lands where they have made their mark. They are the seeds of heaven, and no matter where they go, they will always rise. Ndi Igbo, people of the land, people of the world, from ancient times to the present, they have been the seeds of heaven, carried by the winds to far-off lands, yet always deeply rooted in their culture. Their pride is one of resilience, innovation, and undying hope. Wherever they go, they bloom. This is the story of Ndi Igbo. As long as they remain united, the Igbo will continue to prosper, no matter where the winds take them. You are watching Ndi Igbo in People TV.
My people, keep watching About People TV. People should keep on watching About People TV.
Keep watching Ndi TV.
They are very, very good people and they are very good.
Please, I want to urge you to keep watching Ebony People TV.
Am I supposed to be the best?
All right, people. But I don't see them now.
It's a place you be where you get a current news and undiluted news.
Keep watching Ebony State TV. Not all that die. If you touch, if I come on remote, I come back for that remote.